In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on Biometrics. When you're ready, select Face Recognition at the top and enter your current login method. Then select Continue at the bottom. Keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen and wait for the 100% mark. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!